This is part of a new series I'm doing, which is to go through the various premium kits that I've received over the month. This will include things like the Premium Bandai and Gundam base kits, mostly. I may throw in other ones depending on who made them and how rare they are, or how interesting I think they might look. Since I already have quite a few premium kits already, I'm going to be doing a short 4-video series where I go through those kits by grade. So this is the 3rd video of that short series, and this will include the master grade kits. Okay, the first one I'm going to show is the Maneuver Striker, which is a expansion add-on for the Eclipse Gundam from Seed. This one here is the GM Sniper Custom. This is piloted by Tenant Young. I think this is the first one that I've seen where it's a GM with a custom version for a specific pilot. As GMs are normally the mass-produced versions of Gundams. GM or Jim, sometimes they're pronounced just Jim. This here is the RX-78-1, which is the prototype for the Granddaddy Gundam. This one I just got because it was kind of cute. Doesn't have a picture of it or anything. Oh, I guess it does on the side. I'll show it in a second. But this is a extension of the polyballs, which are actually pretty neat. I'm sorry, the pod balls. And this is the polypod ball. This was done. This is a Build Divers version. And on the side, they do show a little picture of it. So it's kind of a neat thing where it's got the extra legs. So I decided to get this one. This here is the Astray red frame. This is just a standard red frame. It was only available as a Premium Bandai in the Master Grade. And here is a different version of the Death Scathe from Endless Wing. This is the Rosette version, or Rosette unit, actually. Wing, I would say, is probably my second best favorite series for Gundams. Here's another Build Fighter, which is, what the original one, which Build Divers came off of. And this is the Finis Renscuda Alba. So it's the Alba version, which is the premium one. And this is a different Telegeese. This is the Fugal Endless Wing version. That does look really, really cool. It's got wings where the other Telegeese normally don't. From Seed, we've got a variation of the Jin. This is the Jin Gladiator. It looks Looks very similar to the Jin, but also has a lot of extra stuff on it. This is a variation of the Zeta Gundam. This is the Zeta Gundam 3 B-type. Oh. It's a bit of a big, I guess it's bigger than the other boxes, huh? Let's see here. Wow, yeah, I didn't notice that was so much bigger. Let's see here, can I get it fully into frame? I can't. Let's do this. There you go. I think it's just that it was thicker, so I couldn't get it far enough back to show it all. This here is the Re-GZ Custom. Yep, same thing. Let me just go ahead and tilt up. And the final one is from the Universal Century, the earlier, actually I think this one appears in the Origin technically, but it probably also makes a short appearance in the original anime. But this here is the Zako 2, which was customized for Dozel Zabi, who was in charge of the Zeon troops in the 1-year war. Alrighty, so that does it for the master grades. So I will see you for the last one, which is essentially just the miscellaneous, what's left over and don't fit into a specific, you know, RG, HG, or MG. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you did enjoy it, please do give it a thumbs up. That really does help out the channel. And if you would like to see more like this, please go ahead and subscribe and click the notification bell. If you do have some time, I would really appreciate it if you could watch one of the videos that are popping up around my head.